thlir tu te chi bai le vek ule voina chuan commercial advertisement kan siam na so thing atanga siam chwa ginger candy fakna video kan siam laia behind the scene le a video siam nu te kalo da dona mizo khasi naga tangkhul te kan ni hloma wangin tong sang sangin kan lo tong nok nokanga min lo the thiam zel me don ya.
This one does shake.
A little bit shaky, no?
Yeah. But I have to cut all this.
Yeah. What we don't want, we
then
can
I will
cut it.
take the other one. Wait, I have the other one also.
I feel like you stabilize your crop.
That is a flashlight, right?
Em bật zoom thế cái này.
Em cái prime lens.
Google Meet quạt
Prime
vàng
là
lại
để sample cái mình thích cái sample tao cắt tôi vậy. Prime. Zoom thế cái là như vậy. Nga thì cái prime actually. Zoom lens có vậy, cái lens là zoom ta bala mình zoom.
Enga ta ni manchin ve.
Ôi Zoom meeting kan này nó
Zoom meeting lại nan mo.
Zoom meeting lại cả yên nan kan kan mga
Cái này, cái này zoom lens.
atravere.
Cái này zoom lens, cái này là zoom.
You didn't get any of those.
I
didn't buy it yet because. Oh, you have to buy extra.
Ngapa dia kan hand there ai.
I know.
Hey, sen sen ti san te ro ni po.
Va sang cho ve kha.
Vai kan ti chuan ma.
Sang cho tuk, sang cho tuk.
Please check the kitchen. I'm trying to focus
Why is it not clicking?
with the light.
Here. Touch. No, you press.
Oh, it's not on.
What video?
Yeah.
I just open this here, no? Premiere
Yeah.
Pro.
Why is it double clicking?
Because okay, then you want to click only once.
I haven't started editing in this one.
Oh, you haven't done?
Yeah. No, not yet.
But once
Not
you
even
know,
a-
then it's not that difficult.
I haven't tried. I don't know how it's working and all.
It's not cut on this one.
Then you are show me lens.
How about whether it can
Oh, this lens.
match with that small?
This one it won't fit Mawon because this is EF lens. Mawon's RF lens.
Oh,
To fit this-
I don't know about all those things.
Hey.
To fit
Nah, no,
this,
wait,
I need one
balance
more
focus.
adapter.
Okay, adapter can.
yeah.
Yes,
If you have
yes.
adapter, you can put.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
it looks
yeah.
different. So when
See,
we
come.
You have been using this for a while now.
oh more than 10 years.
Oh,
It's
it's a
been.
good lens man.
That one is EF or what?
Yeah, it's EF lens.
I don't know.
This camera must have reached USA. How many years in USA?
10 years now.
6
More
years.
than 10. Maybe 14 years already. Even the camera. That's why we did the new one.
Oh,
So this is a very old
this
model.
Rebel I guess.
Rebel D3i.
This is very.
Với into advertisement shooting kan nei do na.
Actually,
Cái chén thế.
when we bought that one.
Ginger candy.
2012.
So thi nga tanga thil siam. An siam chwa kha advertisement shooting kan nei don so ma he thom no kan da chew ni he. Thom no he ka keng chew ti dia nin du kan hin kha kwal don ani. Ai ang deu ten kan kha kan thak du ta tin ka tia he. Ti sha din ang deu tur te mo lukhum in ang deu tur te. A lukhum du ta ka khum tur te. Kan da deu rem ro ni he he.
We came over. See, you can see.
When so he kan camera te kan la chuak lama.
The corner when it's the video.
Alai muna hianin
dark here.
kan vlog
in the
pera
corner,
ni kan
so-
tilai te.
But when we put in the computer, it's fine. But you can see the purple thingy in the corner, right? So, but I can still use. When we use autoclick, it doesn't come good. So when I try to change the setting manual, sometimes I can get like good pictures. So,
This manual mode is mainly like how you want.
Hi
to
Kamboja
get
tea
photo.
ni
yeah. So if we
Japanese tea.
I guess you have to take a look.
Pima thiang ni siam ni
Shot bedak sampo mga kalay pesan musim tu Khalid.
see, please check this one because
Keren guys.
I don't know what
Website
I
kan,
did in this
Website.
setting. See that the color.
Ngaruh dan
The
ni.
color is not. I tried
Ada lah,
to
ni ada
use
pelari.
like menu and info
Kalau ni
different
ada pelari.
settings, so the color came out like this only. Even though if I change like ISO and a pattern, so the color doesn't look nice. I don't know what
Ano ba
did I do. Maybe.
Oh, I guess.
Which one?
Kena
Which one?
sampo kan kak.
How to press this?
I don't know.
Nanti tu kamu tak balik ni, langkam.
Wait a minute.
Balik ni langkam.
It's because of the
Dah nak dah slap
It's
situ.
A.
Tanda ya dah mana.
Oh, neutral. So
Tahi.
I don't
Actually,
know.
my one's touch screen, so I
Exceed-
can't.
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
okay,
it's
wait
not
a
that.
Lanjut try kalian tiba-tiba.
Accidentally, I think I did that one when I
Gimana tuh kalau pesan nak
tried to
ambil
play
ambil?
around.
Okay, that one is nice.
Nice, yeah. I like the color also.
Okay. Okay, clap yang.
How to focus only in this ginger? I'm thinking.
Wait,
You can zoom
to
in.
focus, this one will take one clip from here. The other clip, then I'll told you like this. With this one, let's do like this. Okay, clap. Like this only. Then we'll do like this.
Okay.
That is the panning shot.
Yes.
Now we get the panning shot like that one also.
Yeah, if we can add some short shots to show our
Okay.
creativity, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, that also will work.
But like how to focus only in this ginger, you can increase the aperture and focus only in ginger. No?
Something like that only.
Okay.
What setting you are using? The setting?
Now I put 60 the shutter speed, then 4.5 the aperture.
ISO 1000?
Yeah, I just increased the
I
ISO.
think, yeah, it's better.
Oh wait, no. Again you type and take the ginger. Wait.
My hand is so dry. It was so nice to wash my hand.
Very limit. Yeah. Oh,
Ito. Ay. Umoy. No? Hey, you have that one that you bid for kid. That round one that will turn.
Yeah. That round one.
Have you received as much attention, Mom? Three, four cameras at the same time, focusing on the.
Em này, actually kita không sẽ đại use kan dia tak. Không sẽ đại use.
Ito.
Parang ada shoot emang bikin niyo baru kaya ka frame deh. Let's see. Yeah, nice.
Final?
Ready.
Let's start with it.
Wait. On. Now.
Don't be
Nice,
too
nice.
serious, right?
Yeah.
If we
Yeah.
put that one on the table and with this glasses,
They'll take it the other way.
people will think, oh, what a day today.
I feel you
And the
can.
pastor's
Today will be a memorable day. Today will be a memorable day, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Enjoy a lot.
Yeah, we enjoyed biryani, chicken biryani.
People from different walk of life coming together and
Yeah.
Okay, at home I'll start editing
You can
tonight.
advertise that one in your channel also. Cook it nicely.
I'll start do the editing. Then we'll come into college also we'll start do the editing.
I'll also do the for my
So are
own
we supposed to
practice.
go to the class for editing?
Then you look at the ginger. Okay, now you pick one and eat. Okay, done. Wait. 1, 2. You look at the ginger. No. First your hands in your yeah. Okay, now you look at the ginger. Okay. You look only your head. Oh, wait. Okay, now. Take. You look at me. Okay, give a thumbs up.
Very tasty.
Okay, done.
2 week may concern ka ng nauto ka niya.
Okay. That one I have to cut.
You guys are looking so great, see?
This one does shake. No.
A little bit sticky, no?
Yeah. But I have to cut all this.
Yeah. What we don't want, we
Then I
can
will
cut
take
it.
the other one. Wait. I have the other one also.
I feel like you stabilize your crop.